and watch the love grow through the power of forgiveness. But don't leave yourself out. Then we as parents who love our children, but we make mistakes, say to your son and your daughter, look, son, daughter, is there anything that I have said or done that offended you that I need to ask your forgiveness for? And then don't try to defend yourself. Just listen to your children. And should they tell you what they've been wanting to tell you, then you just be quiet. And if you hear truth coming out of their mouths, don't you say, well, look, I'm your mother. They know that. Tell your child, sweetheart, I am sorry. And I'll do my best to never let that happen again. And when you empower your children to forgive each other and to forgive you and me as parents, then the bitterness and the rage that they carry can be released through the power of forgiveness.
By 8,000 BK, the Igbos, they set up the capital at Okanem, Ocham, the Doro, Okanem, Ocham, Chinyere, Umanuforo. Here became the first single ruler as regarding the then warm equatorial world regarding the clan